guys. Yeah, I'm doing a den tour to show you what my den looks like. Wait. Why aren't my actions working? Hurry up, Animal Jam. Hello? Hurry up! Oh, finally! I got the news. Oh, so actually, that's what I was gonna show you. It just wasn't popping up, so I decided to do a den tour, but now I guess we're doing, the same. Yeah. Okay, so we got pigs. I already have a pig, as you can see, and it's awesome and cute, and 2 people are at my den, and I desperately want to know who they are, but I can't because my screen is frozen. This is boring. Well, let's continue the boring adventure. Let's restart. Finally, this better not be so glitchy. Anyways, yeah. Okay, so, okay, yay, so, yeah, let's do both. It'll be a 2 video and 1. Yeah. So, yeah, I know my den's awesome. What? Happened to my... Oh, yeah. It's loading. It does not look like this. It looks awesome. See, look how awesome it looks. Anyways, so, yeah, this is my living room where I hang out with friends, and here's my, what happened? Oh, yeah, and here's my kitchen, yeah, and someone's at my den, I don't care really. And here's my dining room where we dine. And there's the person that's in my den. Oh, and this is like the little pet area, and this is like my little work area where I play Animal Jam all day. Anyways, so this is our bath. Yes, it's very open. And look at here, and this is my plushie place. You can't see all my plushies because they're all bunched up together. And here's my painting place. By the way, it's Paxton. And look how cool it is. And here is my fun room. Yeah, it's awesome. Oh yeah. Come back here. Yes. Here's my bedroom, which I haven't finished, which I'm gonna finish.
It's 8:30.
Just a second. I have to. So that was my. Oh yeah. Here's my little toy collection, and here's the bathroom. Oh, okay. So now about the news. Okay, pigs have arrived. Yay! Hooray! Whoopee! I have to go soon, so sorry, yeah. Ooh, so, yeah, like, as you saw in my paint room, I have some of those items. And you can get this, and I haven't made it, but it would be nice if one of my friends made one for me, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't really play that, but I guess it would be cool. And Bunny's the only party I Oh yeah, I love hop around music. Yeah, so, and sorry I'm not really going through it. I have to go soon. And weekly diamond sale. Ooh, Animal Jam's been doing that lately. Yay! I'm so happy pigs are for non-members too. Oh, well that's pretty obvious. Make a music day. Ooh, that sounds cool though. And pigs, yeah, water park. So, yeah, bye. Why am I saying bye in the toilet? Bye. Yeah.